What have I got here? I'm taking about half a green capsicum, half a red capsicum, half a yellow capsicum, Pyaz, I've got a peeled onion here. I'm just going to cut it into 3 basically. I've got my nice thick onion over here. I've also got a piece of leek. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just split the leek into half, use only half. So I would say about 40 grams of a white part of leek. Oh, I've got this cute little baby eggplant as well. Cut it into thick slices, say 1 by 4. I have that in there as well. So I've got some zucchini and yellow squash, which I won't need much, but I would use about 50 grams of yellow squash and 50 grams of zucchini squash. Just cut it straight into, okay. Got this here as well. So what I'm going to do is I've just cut them into thickish slices. Now, I've got some broccoli here as well. Let's use it up. So what I'm doing is I'm just cutting into nice big florets. I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt, some cracked black pepper, and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it a nice mix. Ready to get grilled. This recipe is not from any book, it's from here and from my heart. Only for you. Okay, still have a couple of minutes till I can start playing here. Okay, for this marination, I would use about 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a big pinch of salt in here, some cracked black pepper, some chili flakes to turn up the heat, baby. Okay, about a teaspoon of chili flakes. Some basil leaves just torn in. Some sage, okay, which is one of my most favorite herbs. Rosemary, a prominent herb which is used in Mediterranean cooking. Alrighty, I'm just going to give this a nice mix now. Now, हमारी sensational spread बनानी है. So I would do almost like 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, which is available here as well. 2, maybe 1 tablespoon of this plum chutney. Give it a nice mix. Maybe a little bit of cracked black pepper in this. And just a pinch of salt. And just a few hits, okay, of Tabasco. Oh yeah, spice up your life, baby. Okay, इसको अभी हमने mix कर लिया. Now, straight for the kill, for the sandwich. As I mentioned earlier to you, is that you could use any kind of bread. Whole wheat, sourdough. I've got these lovely buns with me. Lightly just warm them up a little bit. Now I'm going to take just a couple of leaves for each sandwich. A slice of brie on the top. This is the VGV powerful grilled vegetable sandwich with brie, only for you.